I wanna show you how to make a countdown timer in Premiere Pro. Let's go! First of all, go to your project panel, right click of the mouse, new item, and click on the black video. Add your black video above the video clip. Go to the effects and write timecode. Add the timecode effect to your black video. Come back to the effects control and under the opacity, blend mode, choose the screen. By using scale, you can modify the size of your timer. And of course, by extending or shortening the black video, you can set the duration of your timer. Following, come back to the effects control and under the timecode, change the timecode source to generate. Time display 60 non-drop frame. Uncheck the field symbol option. And of course, to make our timer countdown, right click of the mouse, nest. As you can see, we have still the black area. To delete it, go to the opacity, blend mode, and change to the screen. Let's select again the black video, right click of the mouse, speed and duration, and let's check the reverse speed. And the last step is, if you wanna remove some zeros, go to the effects, right crop, add the crop effect to your nest clip, and then simply adjust the left crop. Let's see the result. Help to grow this channel, put your like and subscribe.